Hey you guys, so in editing this video I realized we never did an intro. So with Project Gus Gus we had a couple hiccups with the exhaust after doing the transmission mount. Um, I had a local friend help me out with it, quick repair. We added a brace to the rear tailpipe. We added a couple V-band clamps to the exhaust for quick removal if I need to work on the trans or something. And we also hollowed out my cats because they were clogged. So let me get rolling to the video. I also messed with some camera angles on a few things and trying some things out for you guys to get you some better video. The biggest problem is I'm using my phone and I don't have like a camera mount or anything, so enjoy. Alright y'all, so here's an initial startup. What do we end up fixing? Well, the tailpipe was rattling off the leaf springs, bent it and braced the hanger a little bit, moved it about 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, so that way it clears. Also had a clogged cat, so I gutted that. Let's hear how it sounds inside. You guys heard the outside video. Fire up and drive it over it. Idle smooth, sounds good. Get a driving interior video. It's going to be a little loud because I still don't have my headliner finished, and I don't have the rear hatch plastic in it. So let's get you guys a drive video. We're going to do a little takeoff video. This is, 45 mile an hour going down the highway here. And for not having half my interior, figured it's not that bad sounding. You can definitely hear it. It'll quiet down too once you get a full interior in your rig, or if you have one. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I don't think I ever did an interior sound since I put a tailpipe on this thing. So obviously, like anything else, the more you dig into it, the louder it's going to get. I'll try to see if I can get you guys in an exterior video. It's kind of hard to do. I don't have a camera stand, so we'll go from there. Hey y'all, so I don't recall if I told you guys the purpose of this video in the beginning, and if not, I apologize. After doing the transmission mount, we had some issues with the exhaust not clearing things. As most XJ owners know, the exhaust hangs off the transmission mount. So, we did some V-bearing clamps to make the exhaust removable, readjusted. We bent the tailpipe a little bit and added a brace. Along with that, I hauled out my cats because they were clogged and they were throwing a coat. It was cheaper to do than buy new cats. If you live in a smog state, I don't recommend that. I figured I would also play around with camera angles and show you guys what it sounds like with a Nexus muffler and a tailpipe on it versus my old side exit setup. So that way you guys, you know, can hear what I hear and see what I see. You guys can offer your 2 cents if you want to. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. God bless and have a good day.